In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro at managing projects or just getting started, Wrike makes it easy to organize and track your projects. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process. To begin, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. If you aren't already there, head to Wrike's login page. You'll see the login button prominently displayed. Give that a quick click. If you're wondering about the easiest way to log in, using Google is often the simplest route, especially if you have a linked account. All you need to do is click on the Google option and then select your account from the list. It's quick, it's easy, and it saves you from having to remember yet another password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create your project. Look for the option to create a new project or folder. It's usually up there on the top or along the sidebar, ensuring it's easily accessible. Click on it and you'll be prompted to provide details about your new project. This step is really about setting the foundation. Giving your project a clear descriptive name is crucial. Imagine the name as the headlines or title that will keep everyone aligned. So go ahead and type in your project's name. Think of something intuitive, something that encapsulates the purpose of your project neatly. A good project name can make searching and categorizing projects much simpler as your workspace grows. Once you've settled on the perfect project name, confirming the creation of your project is as simple as clicking the Create button. That action will set everything up within Wrike, and just like that, your new project emerges, ready to be fine-tuned and broken down into manageable tasks. And there you have it, you've just created a project in Wrike effortlessly in mere minutes. While Wrike is known for its flexibility and robust features, it's often these small tasks, like setting up a new project, that demonstrate just how streamlined and efficient Wrike can be as a tool for collaboration. With your project now created, you can begin inviting team members, assigning tasks and setting deadlines, knowing that the foundation is solid. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. As you grow more comfortable navigating Wrike, you'll find plenty of options to explore. From customizable dashboards to agile methodologies and team collaboration, Wrike offers an extensive range of features aimed at enhancing productivity and maximizing your project management strategies. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy project managing in Wrike.